Oh, it's so hot. It's only like 10:30 a.m. 10:40. Super bummed I only had 20 bucks in my account when I went to the thrift store just now. There was a Xbox 360 complete with controllers and all power supply and component, but it was $24.99. So instead I just got I would have got it to keep, so I could test games and controllers, but no fun since sales have been slow for me. Check out my eBay store, link in the bio, link in my description. But I got a Samsung VHS DVD player. Hopefully it works. It turned on, turned off, and the disc tray for the DVD came out and went back in, so that's good. That's all I could check though. At least they have the station so you could plug stuff in, better than most stores. So yeah, kind of bummed I didn't have enough money, but the DVD player was like $7 something, so I could afford that with the 20 bucks I had. Hopefully sales pick up locally and shipped. Be nice. Been a few weeks. So nice out, but also so sweaty out. Just standing, getting my ready to get on my bike. Bunch of sweat went down my face because of having my hat underneath my helmet, and instead of taking it off, since I pre-decided to only go into the back section of the store, part of the back section of the store, I didn't feel the need to take my helmet off. Yesterday I went into Goodwill across the street. Oh man, I almost passed out. They had a couple good things, but I couldn't take it anymore. So I'm glad I didn't buy anything, even though there were some good options shirt wise. They had a PS2 for 50 bucks, 60 bucks. That was silly. And then they had some nice good shirts, but I couldn't stay in much longer, especially because the longer I was there, there's a little bit of a line. There's no one checking out anyone, so I just walked out. Then I went to the store I just went to, and I forgot that on Sunday and Monday now, they're closed. So I went there, and I'm like, oh, that's weird. There's no cars. Because I went up the sideway the same way I started the video, and then, oh, not that many people. Then I go, and it's completely vacant lot, and then I look, and everything's closed. All right. No one's gonna be here because it's Monday. That's all right. I got out for a bit, got to go to Goodwill, so it wasn't a bust, especially since it was across the street. So no worries there. Oy. Someone actually stopped me when they come up to a light as I come up to another, as the one with the right of way. What a shocker. Rarely happens anywhere in the Bay Area. Oy vey. Hopefully, no problems. I usually end up being too lazy whenever I see them listed locally, the DVD, the combo machine, whether they're free or cheap. Sometimes they can be listed in town or another city 5 to 20 miles away, 30 miles away, and I'm just end up lazy depending on what time of day it is. Typically goes with what time of day it is. So hopefully it was worth it. It's Samsung, so you know, it should be decent. It has some scuffs and such, but you know, show the pictures, disclose such, bring the value down a little, but I mean, anything's decent. Of course, I would prefer getting something at its highest resale value, but on the other hand, as long as it's a little bit more, at least $10 or more than I paid for it, so I get a little bit more, I'm chill with it. Recoup my investment, then make a little on top. You know, I'm not stingy. Plus, I'm always broke, so you know, there's that too. I know. I always price high, but put offers welcome in all my listings just to see if it strikes anyone's fancy. I don't mind a little negotiation. Oh, you did. 1 second. Gonna make sure I put my wallet in my backpack. Just dawned on me. It may not. Okay, we're good. I always forget when I don't think about it, and all of a sudden, a few minutes later, I'm like, oh, did I put it in there? I always end up doing it, but sometimes, even if I don't have my camera going, whether it's on me or at home, I'll still forget and then be like, oh, Mr. Paranoia has struck. What's up here? What's over here? Anything exciting? No. Nothing too exciting. Nothing new. I guess I'll go home. Been out for almost 2 hours. Been out for like an hour. Left between 9:40 and 9:45, and it's 10:45 now. Go home. Edit this video because I haven't posted one since Thursday, Wednesday, Friday.